Deck 12.
Alright guys, now we are at Bermuda! Yay! Okay, today's weather is very nice. It's about what, 70 something degrees. Very warm. So we are just get off from the ship. We are going to the beach now. We are renting a car, a minivan. It costs $7 per person. So it's like a private minivan. We are going to the beach now. Alright, correction. So it's not private minivan. So we are going to join with other people, but it's nice. It's faster if you want to go to the beach. Instead of you are taking a bus, so you can actually renting a minibus like this. Woo! What's up guys? What are you guys doing? Woo.
Okay folks, my name is Shelly.
Hi Shelly.
Welcome to Bermuda. I'll get you down to the Horseshoe Bay in between 20 and 30 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Horseshoe Bay Life. Ooh, I think we have to pay to go inside. This is the bathroom. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. They have bathroom. Very convenient. Behind me is the changing room, restroom. So if you are here, don't worry about the restroom. It's very nice. So currently we are at the Horseshoe Bay. Very hot right now, but hey, that's why we're here. We are going to the beach. We need the hot weather. That's the place where you rent the umbrella. $15. $15. Alright, if you come here late and when it's crowded, be prepared. No more umbrella. So when you come here, make sure you come here early so you can get an umbrella. Alright, at least we have some shade here. We have like our private cave. And don't worry about this. We are gonna ignore these signs right now. Alright, let's go! Alright guys, this is day 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Thank you! Done with the beach, we're going back to the ship.
Escargot. Let's see. The snail. Not the snail. Oh, good. No, I thought it's the snail.
It is seaweed, but I don't have any. Are you good?
Over there is lobster party.
Kalau di Bali dikenal apa? Jimbaran.
Jimbaran.
Ya, makasih.